5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Action! Blaster!
Do you want to be part of a world record attempt? Do you love making loom bands? Then join us at Blue Skye Thinking to loom to the moon. We're making the biggest loom band in the world to raise awareness and funds for treatment for childhood brain tumours.
My name is Jessie. This is me with my big brother Skye, Mummy and Daddy. Skye and I had lots of fun together. He was magical and very brave.
Just before Skye started school, he began to feel unwell. He went to hospital and had a scan. It showed he had a lump inside his head. He had an operation to take the lump out and had a big McDonald's afterwards. Skye had to spend a lot of time in hospital, but kind visitors used to make it fun. For his treatment, Skye had to have medicine called chemotherapy, which fights cancer cells. It doesn't hurt, but it did make him feel poorly and made his hair fall out, which looked a bit different at first, but he got used to it. Skye made sure he wasn't the only one with no hair.
Skye, what have you done to your daddy?
Skye needed lots of blood transfusions, which he had from other people who were kind and gave him some of theirs. This made him feel much better. He had to work really hard to teach himself to walk again. And just before his 5th birthday, he was up on his feet.
Lily!
Here is Skye with the radiotherapy team. The special thing about radiotherapy is that you have to lie very still. So Skye had a mask made just to fit him. While having treatment, he used to listen to music and stories on his iPod.
Click it into the board so it doesn't move. They press these bits in.
Finally, Skye was able to start school. Here he is on his first day at Rush Common Primary School. It's here that his friends told him all about looming. Unfortunately, Skye became poorly again, and he could not move his arms or legs. But he could chat and used to tell jokes.
Astronaut eat at lunchtime.
Back in hospital again, Skye set himself a challenge to make the longest loom band in the world, maybe even long enough to reach the moon. He asked everyone he knew to help him, and some crazy friends set up the challenge. His success was so great that the news spread worldwide, and before he knew it, he had over 10 kilometres of loom bands. Enough to head halfway through the Earth's atmosphere. He even got some celebrities involved.
Hello, this is a very special message from my best friend in the whole world, Skye. Hello, Skye. It's lovely to see you. Now, we've been hearing lots of great stuff about Loom to the Moon. You are a superstar.
We are going to try and break a world record and create the biggest loom band ever. But we need your help to do it. Do you think you can? Amazing.
In the process, he raised lots of money for his charity Blue Skye Thinking to fund better treatment and research into childhood brain tumours.
I need to get to the moon!
Skye sadly died in August this year, but he asked his little brother Jesse and his best buddy Stephen to help him complete his mission.
Make the longest loom band you can. You can use any pattern. Then give a charity donation to your group's organiser. Join each loom band one by one to your group's super chain. Then measure your super chain's unstretched length. Why not take a picture with your super band and display it on your notice board? You could even send it to the local newspaper. You could use the band to spell out your group's name. Finally, post your photo to the Loom to the Moon Facebook page. Tell us the length and how much you raised.
To get the world record, we have to join all the loom bands without any S-clips. First, take a loop from the original band. Thread your new section a little way through. Grab the end of the new section and make a hole. Thread the new section all the way through. Once you've done this, pull the two ends. Both sections are now joined in a seamless manner. You're now ready to add on another section.
So let's try and raise as much money as we can for this brain tumour research charity, Blue Skye Thinking. Please, try as hard as you can, and I'll be keeping my eye out on these loom bands. Good luck everyone. Fingers crossed.